Afternoon folks. Right, today is an exciting day and we're going to do a super quick unboxing video because I've just got my hands on a Mavic Air Fly More combo. Oh, how exciting. This is going to be the most half-assed unboxing ever, mainly because most of the batteries are uncharged, and the longer I spend doing the unboxing, the less time I'm going to have outside flying this thing. So we're going to do this really quickly. This is the Mavic Air Fly More combo, and we got it from John Lewis. It's 900 and something pounds, so it's not cheap. It's a lot of money. The Fly More combo is worth it, I believe, over the regular one because you get the 3 batteries and the additional bits and bobs, which I'll show you in a second. Yes, it's a lot of extra money. It's about 200 quid more than the drone on its own. But if you price the components up individually, it seemed like the better deal. I've gone for the Onyx Black. Everyone says the white one is hard to see. I wasn't that picky in terms of colour from an aesthetic point of view. So black or red were the options. They only had black, so black it is. Let's have a look. So we'll crack it open. First thing we're going to look at is this. This is the little case for the drone itself. So I'm going to open this up. Ta-da! And there it is. You can see I have already taken the battery out because the battery is on charge, but there it is. Watching this video, you've probably seen a fair bit of stuff already about the drone, so you know how small it is, but it is really surprising. I watched a ton of videos on this thing. It's still amazing when you get it in your hands at how small and how light it is. Yes, it's not got a battery in it and the batteries weigh a fair bit. It still is a really, really light device. So you do fronts come out like so. Rears down and around, antennas go down, and that's it, ready to fly. So there's the drone. This is the carry case. It's actually really quite nice. It's quite a good, it feels quite a nice material. It's quite rugged. Definitely going to make a lot of use of that. You wouldn't want to carry that on its own just in a bag, so this is really, really cool. Next, put the box down. We have the travel bag. Now the travel bag is part of the Fly More combo. You don't get this in the regular Mavic Air package. So again, it's a nice little extra. It's actually quite nice looking. And again, it feels well made. It's like a really heavy duty fabric, like a messenger bag style material. Little DJI logo on the front. And a nice shoulder strap, and inside, open her up, we have the controller. Pop them open, phone goes in here, joypads come out there, screw in there, antennas, simple as. What else have we got? Box of goodies. Extra propellers, definitely not a bad thing. I'm going to try not to crash it, but not a bad thing. USB type A to USB type C. Now I've already read up on that. You can't charge with this. It's purely to move any video or photos you've got stored on the internal storage to your PC. So that's cool. With this, additional joysticks on the off chance that you lose them. I'm going to try desperately hard not to lose them, but handy. Additional cables, different types of cables. On the controller, you have this on the side, which is where you connect your device. So I have a Google Pixel XL2, so I need the type C, but you also get a Apple Lightning cable and a standard micro USB. This over here is, again, this is the extra that you get within the Fly More combo, and it is a Mavic Air battery to power bank adapter. So here's one of the batteries. They do come in here supplied, but as I say, I've already had them out to charge them. And all you do, pop that on there. Then you've got a female USB type A port there, which you can then use to charge your phone. Really cool. Itself is the battery. In the Fly More combo, you get 3 of these. Pretty much the main reason why you'd go for the Fly More combo over the regular, because you get 3 of these compared to 1. So the Fly More combo actually starts to become reasonable value when you look at the price of the batteries. And that's it. What was in here, which I've removed, is the charger. You get a standard charger, which charges 1 battery. But again, in the Fly More package, you also get an adapter, which I'll show, ding, here, which allows you to charge 4 batteries consecutively. Get the box back. In here we have propeller guards. If you're flying it, if you're a noob like I am a noob, but I'm not going to put these on for the time being. And then a whole bunch of instructions, which I am actually going to take the time to read. And that's it. I told you it was going to be a really terrible, really quick, half-assed unboxing because I want to go out and play. And that's what we're going to go do next.
Ready to go. We're in beginner's mode. We have satellites. Oh, you ready?
I'm scared.
Hang on.
Just the best thing ever.
Yeah, just about.
So we've done a maiden voyage. We're halfway through 1 battery. We have a spare, much to Becky's annoyance. It's so cool. I don't care that this makes me a child. This is cool. It's really cold. So, actually, Becky, first impressions?
It's pretty cool.
It's fucking amazing. It's really cool. Pretty cool. First impressions, it's really cool. It's a great bit of tech. And it's really easy to fly. It's Becky's turn next. You're going to fly it next.
No.
So yeah, this was just a real quick video unboxing and flying maiden voyage of the Mavic Air. I'm going to be doing loads of videos on this, obviously. I've got a whole weekend of it, and I've got a few days off next week to play with the drone. But for now, we are gonna, while it is lovely, as you can see, it's not a bad evening, we're gonna go to the pub. We're gonna get some food, aren't we?
Yeah.
So,
And warm up.
Maybe even a cheeky beer, although I'm driving, so maybe not. So, that's it for now, folks. Sunset. Ooh. Bye.
Bye.